Hello, I'm Johan Krebbers. I'm the CTO of Acuvate, and today we're going to talk about what happens at the edge with really both robotics and drones, because both are important vehicles to bring around sensors, either drive around or fly around the sensors in the sky or on the ground. So let's first talk about the drones. Drones are very important to collect maybe camera data, environmental data, and flying over fields, over other environments. So it's very important we get that drone information. If it is via camera, ideally with a 5G connection, so that the data can go real time from the camera to the edge environment or to the cloud environment. But let's assume we go to the edge environment with camera with 5G support, means the data flow streams to edge. On the edge environment, we then use something like machine vision to real time look at that data and give steer back to the drone to change the direction or to make other changes out there. So that's about the drone. So drone is being used, it's important in many different environments, often with cameras, but also with infrared, but also with other devices out there. The second point we're going to talk about is robotics. We have a partnership in the case of robotics with ANYbotics. ANYbotics is a Swiss company with very sophisticated robotics for the energy and manufacturing space. Their robots are walking robots, can climb the staircases, can come down from staircases, so very sophisticated, ideally for the energy space. An example could be, for instance, when you would use ANYbotics on an offshore platform. The robot would walk around, would do the operator around, would collect all information about meter reading, about spillage, about leakage. And if you also would then have 5G on the platform, it could send that information real time again to the edge environment of the platform to make real time decision making and tell the robot real time what to do, what action to take, or what direction to go. So that's just one example where ANYbotics could play a role. And what's important, of course, but often on these offshore platforms, other platforms you have staircase to climb, but these robots do support that, so therefore can go up the staircase and really collect data on different levels within the environment. So that's about ANYbotics, and of course, so ANYbotics is really meant for walking it could be on a production platform, but it could also be in a refinery, in a chemical plant, in any other remote location, and they really focus there that operate around, they really collect the data, and in this case replace the operator, and often can do a better job if you have the right equipment installed on the robot. And of course, we spoke about the drone. The drone has similar capability, but of course the drone is about flying over facilities, looking for damages, looking for leakage, looking for other things. But again, it has similar capabilities. So both you have to see as devices which carry sensors instead of a fixed location to different locations. But they really should look at them as carriers of sensors to collect the data, either from the sky or walking on the facility.